Hey everybody, we're gonna do nutrition today with me, and I have some things that I want you guys to look up at first. Since it's just staff here, we can split it up that way. So we're gonna talk about vitamins today and the importance of them, but you guys are gonna tell me um, what the importance of, and I'm just gonna give you a vitamin to look up. Okay.
Sounds good.
Okay. So I'll give everybody two vitamins, and if you could just look up some foods that go with it, why is it important, and maybe like another name that it's called. Some of them don't have that third one that I listed. Like it doesn't have another name. Some of them are just like vitamin B or stuff like that. So, but if it's another name, please write that down as well. So I'm going to give you the vitamin. You're going to tell me what it's for, what foods that go with it, and what's another name that it's called. So for Christian, I'm going to give you vitamin A and vitamin E.
A&E, you got it.
Okay. And then Kiana, D and C.
Gotcha.
And Whitney, B and K. And for the Friday Rewind, for those who are
all right.
For the Friday Rewind, those who aren't watching, you guys can look up another vitamin and just do your research on why it's important and why you should take it. So this should give you guys about 3 minutes. And then should be about 3 minutes, I think will suffice. So about 4:05. right, I'll give you guys one more minute. All right, I think somebody has logged on. Julio. Hello, Julio.
Hey.
Julio, we're looking up different kinds of vitamins. I'm going to give you 2 vitamins to look up really, really quickly while we keep going over ours. We're just going to talk about, you know, the importance of them and what they help do, okay?
Okay.
Okay. First of all, is this Julio for real? It sounds like Devontae.
No, for real.
Okay. It sounded like Devontae at first. I was like, hold on now. Can you look up B12 and folates? FOLATE.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So while Julio is looking that up, we're gonna go ahead and talk about what you guys found about your vitamins.
You said you wanted us to share?
To start?
Yeah, I can go.
Yeah, you can start, Christian, if you're ready.
All right, so I'll start with vitamin A, which is the first one I had.
Mm-hmm.
So it's also known as retinol or retinic acid.
Mm-hmm.
And it's a very important nutrient to vision, growth, cell division, reproduction, and immunity.
Mm-hmm.
And it also has some antioxidant properties. And it's found in many of the foods we eat, such as spinach, dairy products, and liver. And also any food that's rich in, I hope I'm saying this right, beta carotene.
Mm-hmm.
Is also a source of vitamin A because our body converts beta carotene into vitamin A.
Okay, cool.
And then for vitamin E, slightly similar but a little different. It is a nutrient that's very important to vision, reproduction, and the health of our blood, brain, and skin. And it also does have some antioxidant properties.
Mm-hmm.
And as far as breaking down free radicals, and very any food that's fatty has a lot of vitamin E. So like canola oil, olive oil, margarine, almonds, and peanuts. You also get it from meats such as any kind of meat, and then dairy, leaf greens, and cereal have it as well.
All right. Vitamin A and vitamin E.
Oh, and as a fun fact, a vitamin E deficiency can cause nerve pain.
Interesting. I didn't know that. Does somebody else want to go? Kiana, Whitney.
I'll go. All right. So I have vitamin D and C.
Mm-hmm.
And another name for vitamin D is calciferol. And it is used, it's responsible for increasing intestinal absorption of calcium, magnesium, and phosphate, and many other biological effects. And its most important compounds are vitamin D3 and vitamin D2. And it can be found in oily fish like salmon, sardines, herring, and mackerel, red meat, liver, egg yolks, and fortified foods such as like some fat spreads or butter and breakfast cereals. And let's see, vitamin C. Vitamin C is also used as a dietary supplement. It's used to prevent and treat scurvy. Not sure what that is. It's an essential nutrient involved in the repair of tissue and enzymatic production of certain neurotransmitters in the brain. And it's also known as a ascorbic acid. And you can get from, let's see, mega doses of vitamin C can cause diarrhea and nausea. And the food sources are oranges, lemons, fats, fruits, and proteins.
All right.
Yep.
Whitney.
All right, I had vitamin B. It is used to help improve energy levels, brain function, and cell metabolism. It can be found in milk, cheese, eggs, the meats, liver and kidney, chicken and red meat, in fish such as tuna, mackerel, salmon, and in shellfish, oysters, and clams. The dark green veggies like spinach and kale, beets, avocados, potatoes, whole grain cereals, and beans like kidney beans, black beans, and chickpeas. Was there anything else I was supposed to research about that?
No. I think
Okay.
you got it all.
Vitamin K is used to help your blood clot. It is found in leafy greens as well, so your spinach, asparagus, and your broccoli. And then in legumes, which are your soybeans. And then it's also found in meats, cheeses, eggs, synthesized bacteria, strawberries, and liver.
All righty. And Julio, did you have yours? Thanks, Whitney. Julio.
Yeah, my bad. Hold on.
Okay.
I got a question.
Yes.
So well, it's kind of not a question, but like I'm kind of confused on what I was supposed to do because this is my first time ever being here.
Oh, it's okay. Okay, so the point of this is MHC. We have Christian, Kiana, and Whitney and me. So we have different classes that we teach depending on the day. So this is not everyday classes. So today we have nutrition, and I think Whitney, what do you have today?
Music.
So today is nutrition and music, and we're talking about vitamins today. So I think you have folate and B12. So you're just supposed to tell me like what foods the B12 and folate is found in and the importance of both. And if they have another name, but I think yours is just what it is. So I can go ahead and do those now, and we can go do a short little video because my time is almost up. I can just read it. Don't worry about it today, Julio. You can just watch and kind of see how it goes. Maybe you can participate. Since you came in the middle of mine, maybe you can participate in Whitney's. It's probably be better if you do it that way. So folate is one of the B vitamins and is needed to make red and white blood cells in the bone marrow and convert carbohydrates into energy. So all the potatoes that you eat, they turn into carbohydrates. Carbohydrates turn into energy and sometimes sugar, and produce DNA and RNA. So I think folate is really important for pregnant women because they're having another, another person is growing inside of them. So they should definitely take folate for that. It's pregnancy, infancy, and adolescence. So that's what it says. It's folate intake is extremely important during periods of rapid growth. So yes, Let's see what foods are in for folate or in food. Broccoli, Brussels sprouts, leafy greens like cabbage, kale, spring greens, spinach, chickpeas, kidney beans. Kind of like what Whitney has said. All right. About vitamin K. She said that about vitamin K. I forgot what other one she had.
B.
B. So it is a B. Folate is a B type of vitamin. Let's see here. Then we have B12, which everybody knows about, I think. maybe not. So vitamin B12 is a nutrient that helps keep the body's nerve and blood cells healthy and helps make DNA. It prevents anemia and megaloblastic anemia that makes like people tired. So B12 foods are like eggs, milk, meats, and different things of that sort. All right, so we're going to just watch a quick video to recap what we learned today. I wish we were in person because it would have probably been a lot more fun. I could do a lot more artsy things and fun things with this. But unfortunately, these are the times that we're in. And Julio, we'll discuss more about what MHC is in 1 second. Let me just play this video really, really quick. It should take us. Can everybody see?
It's some time. Why are vitamins important? No, just vanilla ice cream is important. Oh, some. Vitamins are micronutrients which help perform important functions in our body. The most essential vitamins needed by our body are vitamin A, C, D, E, K, and a group of B complex vitamins. Vitamin A is required to make a pigment called rhodopsin in our eyes. Rhodopsin helps us to see in low light conditions. Thus, without vitamin A, rhodopsin won't be produced, causing night blindness. Vitamins C and E are antioxidants. Unstable free radicals damage our cells' DNA, leading to illness or cancer. Vitamins C and E neutralize the free radicals, preventing cell damage. Vitamin D helps our body absorb calcium to build strong bones. Thus, lack of vitamin D can lead to a condition called rickets, which is characterized by weak, soft bones. During an injury, vitamin K helps the blood clot, thus preventing excessive bleeding. Lastly, B-complex vitamins are essential for a healthy functioning of our brain and nervous system. Why are some people allergic? Because they didn't take my autograph. No. People can be allergic to a wide range of things. Some of the most common ones include milk, peanuts, pollen, shellfish, etc. An allergy occurs when our immune system mistakenly identifies a normal, innocuous substance as a harmful intruder. Hence, it produces antibodies to kill the intruder, and in the process, gives rise to itching, runny nose, watery eyes, etc., thus causing an allergy. Now, according to hygiene hypothesis, allergies are caused due to clean environments. During childhood, exposure to germs allows our immune system to identify harmful substances. However, if children are kept in extremely clean environments and not exposed to germs at all, then their immune system fails to develop properly and instead starts attacking harmless substances.
So we're going to stop right there. I really thought that was interesting. I just watched the first part because it was talking about vitamins when preparing for this. But allergies are definitely something that we probably can talk about in the future. Does anybody have allergies to stuff? If you can just go ahead and yell them out. Anybody have allergies to things?
I'm allergic to codeine.
I'm allergic to penicillin. So it looks
Oh,
like
Whitney said coding.
And doing coding. Okay, Christian, we know that you code. Get out of that mind. All right. Anybody else allergic to anything? Julio, are you allergic to anything?
Not that I know of.
Okay, cool. All right, so yes. So that's the importance of the vitamins. We definitely need vitamins, but I'm gonna just read you all guys off a list of like some negatives with vitamins, and everything, we take everything in moderation. Things that we overuse can be harmful for us. So some of the advantages of multivitamins, which include all of the ones that they talked about in the video and those that we discussed today, they enhance your energy levels and focus. They protect you from vitamin deficiencies, which can cause like you being anemic or something like that. Some disadvantages, it's a such thing as vitamin overdose. So as I discussed before, you can suffer from vitamin overdose if you take a lot of them. And they're more related to vitamin A, E, K, and D. They can cause nausea, constipation, racing heartbeats, and maybe even depression. And then the safety, you always have to look at, who is not publishing, but like sending out like the Food and Drug Administration or something like that, because the safety is not always guaranteed. So it's definitely important to find one that is guaranteed for you. Some ineffectiveness. Multivitamins are available in various shapes and forms on the market, but despite how they can be made of the same ingredients, not all of them work the same. So it's important that you guys research where you're buying your vitamins from. All right, so that is our spiel on nutrition today. Take your vitamins and eat healthy. And also remember, if you eat junk food, it is not always gonna like be important to have enhancements. So enhancements means that you already have to have those things in your system. So if you take those vitamins and eat like really, really bad, then it probably is not going to be the most effective for you. So that's my little spiel today. Thank you for coming to nutrition.